Matthew 6:24. No one can serve two masters. Either he will hate the one and love the other, or he will be devoted to the one and despise the other. You cannot serve both God and money.
So, you've got an ADV 160. You love it. It's sleek, stylish, sips gas like a frugal Tito at a buffet, and it can handle EDSA traffic better than most politicians can handle questions. But deep down, you've asked yourself, what if there was more? Well, guess what? Honda heard your silent cries over the rev of your 160cc engine, and they said, here, take the ADV 350. Your what?
What? No. I didn't. I wasn't. Why would I ever say that? I mean,
Meet the Honda ADV 350, the ADV 160's buff brother who works out, eats protein rice bowls, and commutes like a boss. This bad boy launched globally in early 2022, and ever since then, it's been turning heads like it owes everyone money. Think of it as the middle child between the nimble ADV 160 and the mega chunky ADV 750. It's got the looks, the brawn, and enough under-seat storage to smuggle half of Divisoria. Under the seat, 48 liters. That's 2 full-face helmets, your laundry, and maybe your feelings after a breakup. And under the fairings, a 300 at 30 siyentipiko kwartang engine, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, single-cylinder na walang kaartehan. It's the same power plant as the Forza 350, around 29 horsepower and 31.5 Nm of torque. Simple translation, this thing will leave your ADV 160 eating dust and questioning its life choices. Off the line, it's quick city traffic, easy provincial roads, kaya, pang overtaking ng tricycles, delivery riders, and even the occasional lost carabao? Solved! It even climbs like it skipped leg day. Top speed? Around 140 kilometers per hour if the wind is on your side and you had sinangag for breakfast. And let's talk handling. Uy, Robbie. Reviewers abroad say it handles better than any scooter they've tried. The 37mm Showa, inverted forks, and gas-charged rear shocks make it feel more like a motorcycle than a scooter. Cornering, sharp, U-turns, smooth. Parang crush mo. Hard to approach. But once you do, it's worth it. It's got a manually adjustable windshield, keyless ignition, Honda selectable torque control na pwede i-off if you want to feel edgy, USB-C port sa harap for your gadgets, and full LED lighting. The 2025 model, now with a full-color digital dash and Bluetooth voice assistant support, so your scooter can finally ghost you in HD. Now, the real question, magkano yan? Well, in other countries like Singapore, it goes for around 12,500 Singapore dollars before taxes. And in Malaysia, it's between 32,000 to 36,000 Malaysian ringgit. That's no joke. This scooter is not pangmasa. It's pang may kaya, pang riders na may pa-cold brew sa helmet compartment. So, is it in the Philippines yet? Not officially. It was shown off in the latest Makina Moto Show, but launched officially, not yet just whispers from Honda. But we are sure to get this one this year. But enthusiasts and importers are already bringing them in via gray market, usually at premium prices. If we're lucky, Honda Philippines might roll it out officially late 2025. So yes, may pag-asa. And when it lands, it'll sit comfortably above the ADV 160, giving Filipino riders a proper mid-range option for both city zipping and provincial escapades. Let's be honest here. If the ADV 160 is your first love, the ADV 350 is your glow-up. It's for those who've outgrown 125cc and 160cc scooters but aren't ready for full-blown big bikes. Maybe you want to downsize from a 400 ECC na sobrang init sa EDSA. Maybe you just want to flex at the gas station. Either way, the ADV 350 is calling and it's saying, "Let's ride, bro." So, should you get one? If you've got the budget and the heart for a premium scooter that can commute, tour, and give you those big bike feels without the clutch stress, yes. The ADV 350 might just be the best non-motorcycle you can ride in the Philippines. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want Honda Philippines to finally bring this beast here. And remember, one ride, one catch, one bite at a time. See ya in the next video.